Well, this shot make me about to go in. Money on my mind and my money won't fold in. All this hard work, man, I be flashing. All about the action, and you know I gotta kill this. I don't really give a fuck, you just hate on me cause you're jealous. You can't even rap about yourself, boy, better sit down. You just a little homie trying to make another sound. You need to get off these streets and get to the booth, cause you ain't built for this. Only we all bulletproof. Money on my money, you know I keep it crispy. Can win this shit, bitch, you're gonna be history.
Yeah, TC, I'm in this bitch. I don't really give a fuck. I just took a shit. No, I'm just kidding. And I'm in this bitch, and I'm smoking on that split. Yeah, what you doing with your life? Yeah, bitch, I'ma take it with 3 strikes. If you talking all that shit, man, I'm gonna hit you in the motherfucking ground. If you talking all that shit, you gon' hear that click, clack, bang sound. Bop, 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 bop. I just took your life. What you gotta do? You looking in the skies. You talking about them, wondering what you did with your life. I don't really give a fuck. Who if you talking to me, bitch? I'ma take your life, man. If you talking all that shit, yeah, I smoke that green. I smoke that green, bitch. I don't really give a fuck. I'm on that lean tip. Yeah, I'm on that right shit. Yeah, I'm getting right, bitch. Yeah, I'ma take your life. If you talking all that mad shit, what you gotta do, man? If you talking shit, man, you better be ready to take these fucking hands to the motherfucking enemy. Yes, you as my enemy. If you wanna be man, I'ma hit you with that Hennessy. I'ma drink to you all night. No liquor, no chase, just beer all night.